Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here. So today, we are introducing a new motorcycle onto the channel. Now, no, it's not the BMX, sadly. That will be another video, another story, and I'll fill you guys in all about that in a later date. But anyway, so we are adding a motorcycle to the channel. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, here we go. Here's what we got.
So you put your D-ring in there, and then your helmet hangs off the side.
Okay.
So you can put
2021
two helmets on here.
Kawasaki Z400. Now, this is not my motorcycle. It is my son's. This is his first motorcycle. This is what he's gonna learn to ride on. But I'm gonna take it home for him because it is raining, and he doesn't need to be riding in the rain for his first time. So this is what we got. Like I said, Kawasaki. I'm back on the Kawasaki, guys. Look at that. Ain't that some shit? 2021 Z400. Whoop. All right, guys. It's raining out, and I'm getting ready to jump on this thing and give it a go for the first time. It's been a long time since I've been on not only something this small, but more of a sport bike feel. So let's go. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh damn. Gotta get used to this. This is a weird feeling. Okay, this is going to be a really weird feeling. Good thing this is my kid's bike and not mine, because I'm not going to be riding this much at all. Really not used to the shifter at all. I'm in third. Okay. Yeah, this is a kind of a weird feeling. I guess I gotta get used to this. And also, no self-canceling turn signals. Gotten spoiled by my Harley with that. Guess I should have maybe fixed my mirrors. Considering it's a little sport bike, I guess I need to wind out the gears a little bit more. Like I said, I haven't ridden one of these in a long time, and I haven't really ridden one a lot, so we shall see. I guess it's not too bad. It's a little different, of a seating position, but I mean, it's a peppy little bike. Speed limit's 55. I'm doing 55 in the rain. It's starting to rain a little harder now. I hope this doesn't roach my GoPro on my helmet. My son finally decided to dip his toes in a four-way of riding bikes, which I'm very happy about. My wife's not happy about it, but I am. So yeah, I think he'll be quite happy with this as his first bike. Like I said, I just got to get used to where everything is. Because, yeah, it's different. Like I said, I'm not going to fuck around right now in the rain. But, you know, for his first bike, I think this is a real good bike. Like I said, I just got to figure out the controls here. Go from there. I'm able to flat foot it. Pretty basic setup. Red line on this thing is 12,000. Damn. Rain's starting to come down a little harder now. Fun, fun, fun. We're having a good time, ain't we? Like I said, it's not a bad little bike, you know, to start out with. Alright guys, here's where I'm going to end it. So, down in the comments, congratulate my son on his brand new, or not brand new, 2021 Kawasaki Z400. Like I said, I'm back on the Kawasaki. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.